Today, I'll walk you through how to connect to a data file in a SharePoint folder using Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to access your SharePoint data so you can create insightful reports and dashboards. Let's get started by opening Power BI. If you don't have it installed yet, don't worry, it's a straightforward process to download and set up. Once you have it open, you'll be greeted by the main interface. Now navigate to the Home tab at the top of the window. This is your command center for most of the actions you'll take in Power BI. Next, look for the Get Data button. This option allows you to import data from various sources, including files, databases, and online services. Click on it to proceed. After clicking Get Data, you will see a list of options. To find SharePoint, click on More. This will open a new window with even more data source options. In the search bar of this new window, type SharePoint. This will filter the options, making it easier to find what you need. Once you see SharePoint folder, click on it to select this option. Now you'll need to complete the connection settings window that appears. Here, you'll input the URL of your SharePoint site and any necessary authentication details. Once you've filled everything out, click on Next. After a moment, a preview of your data will appear. This is your chance to review the information you've connected to. Make sure everything looks correct. If it does, you can go ahead and load it onto your Power BI canvas by clicking on Load. And there you have it. You've successfully connected to a data file in a SharePoint folder using Power BI. This process opens up a world of possibilities for data analysis and visualization. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.